Hello, welcome to My Easy Statistics. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to check multi-collinearity and autocorrelation assumptions in regression analysis. Multi-collinearity exists when the independent variables are highly correlated. That is, the correlation coefficient is equal to 0.9 and above. Autocorrelation refers to the degree of correlation between the values of the same variables across different observations in the data. This multi-collinearity and autocorrelation must not exist. So this is assumption which we need to check before doing the regression analysis. For checking these assumptions, I am taking an example of customer satisfaction. Here we have 4 independent variables: shopping convenience, product convenience, price, employee service. These are the independent variables which are impacting customer satisfaction. So before I do regression analysis, in the analysis we need to check these 2 assumptions. Now let us see the procedure how to check these assumptions. First, select analyze. In analyze, select regression. In this linear, select customer satisfaction as a dependent variable, shopping convenience, product convenience, price and employee service as independent variable, and select this statistics button. In this we need to select collinearity diagnostic. This check button need to be selected for checking multi-collinearity, and in residuals select this button Durbin-Watson. This must be selected to check the assumption of autocorrelation, and only these 2 need to be selected because we are now focusing only on this multi-collinearity and autocorrelation. After selecting these 2 check buttons, click continue and click OK. Now first we will be seeing directly in the coefficients, we will be seeing collinearity statistics. Here these are related to multi-collinearity. In this multi-collinearity, first we must see the tolerance. These tolerance values must be more than 0.2. You can observe all the values for even shopping convenience, product convenience, price and employee service, they all are more than 0.2. If the values are more than 0.2, it means the multi-collinearity is not existing between the independent variables. Means multi-collinearity must not be there. That assumption need to be selected. So we are now satisfying that assumption that multi-collinearity is not there between the independent variables. And one more parameter is VIF. This VIF must be less than 5. You can see for shopping convenience, product convenience, price and employee service, these all variables values are less than 5. So now we can conclude that multi-collinearity is not existing between the independent variables. So first assumption we have selected, we have done. Now next, second assumption is autocorrelation. For doing this, we must select this table model summary. In model summary, we must see this Durbin-Watson value. This Durbin-Watson value is 1.817. If this Durbin-Watson value is between 1.5 to 2.5, then autocorrelation is not there in the data. Autocorrelation refers to the degree of correlation between the values of the same variable across different observations in the data. So I hope this video will be useful for you. Please subscribe the channel, share the video and like the video. Thank you.